Welcome back, everybody. Paul Folger here alongside the one and only Ellen Gallus. We are filling in for Chris and Megan this morning. They're here. They're on assignment. So our next segment, we are learning all about a creature in the St. Croix River.
Yes, it is the salamander mussel. And we were both just, even during the commercial break,
this is so
kind of,
interesting.
getting excited to talk about this. Now, not to be confused with the invasive species, the zebra mussels, which we do hear a lot about. And more to tell us about this is Mussel Program Supervisor with the Minnesota DNR is Kate Holcomb. Hi, how are you? Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having me.
We are so excited to learn about this. Yeah, Ellen said we were talking about this in the break. So tell us about the salamander mussel. Tell us what this is.
All right. Well, the salamander mussel is right here for us. Yeah.
All three of these are salamander mussels.
Well, just this one.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
These are all freshwater mussels.
Okay.
They're part of a diverse group of freshwater mussels here in Minnesota. They come in all shapes and sizes, as you can see, and they're found in the lakes and rivers across Minnesota. They have a really interesting life cycle. They use a host fish, and with the host fish, the larval stage of the freshwater mussels has to go through a parasitic stage on the gills of the fish.
Okay. That's how they get started.
Yep. And the salamander mussel is special because it actually is the only mussel, freshwater mussel, that we know of that uses a salamander as the host, the mud puppy.
Oh.
Okay, so that's what we're talking about. That's where the mud puppies come in. And you were telling us that these things live for years, like decades even. How old are some of these, or how old can they get?
Yeah, it kind of depends on the species. Some of them are shorter lived. They kind of have a, live fast, die young kind of lifestyle, but other ones live to be like 100 years old.
These salamanders, boy, they party.
Yeah, you make them sound like they have a very glamorous life, a very glamorous
This is
life.
very good. But they also have a really good purpose. They're very different from the zebra mussel. They're helpful. How so?
Yeah, the freshwater mussels, they filter water for their food, and in the process, they help keep our waters clean. They also, in the process of filtering water, are helping to cycle nutrients that a lot of our aquatic animals need to survive. And the beds of mussels, both the living mussels and the dead mussels, provide really great habitat for algae, aquatic insects, crayfish, small fish. It's just kind of like a freshwater coral reef in a sense that these mussels kind of create. And they're also food for a lot of animals too.
So how do you identify them, and how can you tell the difference between one of these and a zebra mussel?
Yeah, so overall the shape is a little bit different. It's kind of subtle differences, and it's not easy to identify the difference between the different species, but you can look at the different shapes, sometimes the different textures. Like this one is a three-horned wartyback, and it has 3 horns.
I see, yeah.
Yeah, and then some of them have different nacre colors. This one has purple.
Beautiful, really.
And you can also look at the teeth of the mussels to help identify
Those are its
them.
teeth?
Yeah.
Huh. That is fascinating.
And also, is it where they're located? Because usually zebra mussels attach to like a dock or a boat or somewhere they're not supposed to be, right?
Yep. Yeah, they live in one place for their whole lives, the zebra mussels. They stay attached.
Okay.
Whereas the freshwater mussels, they burrow into the substrate and they can move around with their muscular foot.
Oh, okay. So these are found very specifically in one area, right?
The salamander
mussel,
mussel, yeah, they're found only in the St. Croix River these days. They used to be in the Minnesota and Mississippi River too.
Okay, and what kind of work is the DNR doing to change that or to investigate that? Because they could be spreading, or you want them to spread?
Yeah, ideally we would like them to spread. And one of the main things that we do at our office is we do a lot of surveys throughout the state to assess where the mussels are, how they're doing. We do that work using snorkeling gear and scuba gear, which is a lot of fun.
Yeah, yeah, you get paid to do that. I like it.
Yeah, and you get to see a lot of really cool things under the water. And so we use the survey information to inform, the status of how the mussels are doing. And we know that the salamander mussel is not found in as many places as it used to be. So now we're trying to figure out what we can do to help them out. Sometimes we propagate mussels. grow them at our lab and put them back out into the wild. But for that to be successful, we have to make sure that the host, in the case with the salamander mussel, the mud puppies are doing well. And we also need to make sure that the salamander mussel has good habitat. In this case, the habitat is really kind of special and unique. It's like large slab rocks, and the mussels kind of live in pockets of sediment underneath the rocks.
So what should you do if you find one or see one?
If you find one or see one, you should just leave it alone.
Don't mess with it.
Yeah, they know how to take care of themselves, and they're sensitive and delicate. So just leave them where you found them, and the DNR would be interested to know if you did find them. So you can contact us directly, or you can report on our Clam Counter Minnesota app. It's
really,
kind of like iNaturalist.
It's very interesting to know that these are here and they're cleaning our water. Don't eat them. They don't taste good. Don't try it. You can buy them at the store. Don't eat the salamander mussel because they are good for our water and good for us around there.
Well, good to learn about something new as we all head back toward the water as the weather is getting warm. So thank you so much for being here and bringing these and teaching us about these. And we'll post a link to learn more about the salamander mussels on MinnesotaLive.com.
Okay.